Snake.
What's in there?
Fishy. I look at. One fishy. One, two, three, two, five. Four. There's four. There's one.
What's in there?
Fishy.
Fishies? How many fishies?
One, two. One, two, three, two, three, two, three, two.
What else is in there? What's that? What's this? Baby, what's this? What are you doing? Hey, don't do that. Audrey. Adriana. What's this?
Flower.
Flowers? Do you like the...
Orange.
Did you feed the fishies?
The fishy.
You feed them?
I feed them.
Are they gonna go to sleep now?
And they go sleep. The bubble doll. The bubble. The bubble doll. The bubble.
Why are you blowing on the glass, huh? You're fogging it up.
It's fishy.
Okay, don't hit the glass.
Whisper.
Excuse you. Excuse you.
Snake. Snake.
There is a snake over there, huh?
Flower.
Audrey. What is it?
Crocodile.
It's not a crocodile, silly. What is it?
That's crocodile.
It's not crocodile. What is it? Come on, you know what it is. What is it? What is it?
Alligator.
That's right.
No. Just bite it. Snake. Snake. Go. Go. Just have to get down.
You all done?
A yellow flower. A pink flower. A pink flower. Pink flower.
Don't hit the glass. Audrey?
Get out. Bye, school.
Okay, go say bye to the fishies, okay?
Bye. Goodbye.
Tell them see you later.
See you later.
Say I'll be back for dinner.
I'll be back dinner.
Say adios.
Adios.
Pescados.
Adios. Adios. I did again.